How to get the most out of your Gravure packaging? Hello everyone, this is Mohamed Assad, and today I'll be sharing some valuable insights on how to get the most out of your Gravure packaging. With years of experience in the flexible packaging industry, I've seen firsthand how small adjustments can make a big difference. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you elevate your packaging and maximize its impact. Let's get started. When it comes to flexible packaging, Gravure printing stands out for its precision and ability to bring intricate designs to life. But are you truly maximizing its potential for your brand? Here are a few key tips to ensure you're getting the most value. Choose the right substrate. Different products need different substrates. Make sure your material complements both your product and the rotogravure process to maintain quality and durability. Color consistency is key. One of the biggest advantages of rotogravure is its consistent color reproduction across long runs. Ensure your design reflects your brand identity and takes full advantage of this feature. Cost versus quality balance. Saving costs without compromising on quality is vital. Work closely with your supplier to optimize ink usage, minimize waste, and ensure you're not overspending on unnecessary features. Consider sustainability. Today's consumers care about eco-friendly packaging. Choose materials that are recyclable or biodegradable without sacrificing the strength and appeal of your packaging. By applying these tips, you'll ensure your packaging doesn't just protect your product but enhances your brand's visibility in a crowded market. I hope these tips give you a clearer understanding of how to maximize the potential of your rotogravure packaging. You can create packaging that not only protects your product but also strengthens your brand. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.